Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tracy. In case you are new here to my channel, I do invite you to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications so that you never miss any of my videos. I kind of feel a little bit relieved that Halloween is over. I want to get back to my beauty videos. I've just been receiving a lot of products throughout the month of October that I wasn't able to put to use because I was doing a lot of special effects and painting, so I'm just ready to get back into these type of videos and share with you guys new products that just launched or holiday collections that are coming your way. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my face. So foundation, concealer, setting my face, and all of that. So if you're interested in seeing my makeup face transformation, then just keep watching.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Before I start, I want to share with you guys what I just received. This is the Juno & Co. Velvet Sponge. I'm going to be showing you guys a close-up of this sponge. On the back it says, if you're looking for a more natural airbrushed foundation finish, the Juno Microfiber Velvet Sponge is your go-to. Made with velvet soft microfiber bristles and a slanted edge for controlled stippling, the Juno Microfiber Velvet Sponge provides buildable coverage fast. I did receive two, so I want to be able to give one to you guys. I do have a few makeup products that I am able to put away for giveaway, but I just feel like giving one item every now and then is better because I will have multiple winners opposed to just giving everything to one person. Keep in mind, I will have other products that I'll be mentioning throughout the month that I'll be able to give away to you guys. I'll mention how to enter this giveaway towards the end of the video, so make sure that you watch all the way through. And let's just go ahead and get started on this makeup transformation because girl, you know I need it. I'm going to be using this Exuviance Age Reverse Hydra Firm Moisturizer, and this is the sample size. I have a few of these sample sizes from when I worked at Ulta. Moving on, I'm using the Joa Beauty Glow Activator Radiance Primer. Joa Beauty can be found at your local CVS. It is a new makeup line that just launched at CVS. I went ahead and I damped the Beauty Blender. The foundation that I'm going to be using is this CoverGirl True Blend Matte Foundation, and I'm in the shade T30. You can use this sponge dry or you can damp it. I prefer to damp it. I feel like it really absorbs into my skin for a more natural finish. I haven't tried it dry, so I can't say that it doesn't give me the same coverage. So I applied my eye makeup off camera, and if you guys are interested in how to create this eye look, then just go ahead and click that little box that pops up at the top. My eyelash glue is still drying, so don't mind the whiteness on there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium. This concealer does dry down very quickly, so be sure to move fast as soon as you apply it. I am seriously almost out of this. I'm going to apply this Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist by Tarte, just because it does dry down like I said. And I'm going to be using the Sigma Accentuate Highlighter brush, and this is the F56 brush. And as you can see, it is angled and perfect for the under eye area. I'm over here scraping that concealer because I'm like seriously running out. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the Josie Maran concealer. And this is the Vibrancy Argan Oil Infused Concealer. This one is definitely not as drying. This is also in the shade Medium. I just like how Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer is more of a full coverage concealer. Opposed to this one, it can definitely be buildable, but I mean, if you can just get it with a one-time application with the Tarte Shape Tape, why continue to build up on another? I love this highlighter brush so much because it's like you can work by your eyebrows so carefully without messing them up or anything. Right here, it gets really dark. I don't know why. So let me just apply a little bit more there. My smile lines. I'm going to be taking this Selfie Ready setting powder. This is a banana powder. As you guys know, banana setting powders do brighten up your under eye area. I'm going to be taking this sponge and using the flat part of it and just dipping into my powder and just setting that concealer. To contour, I'm going to be using a powder palette, and this is a contour palette by BH Cosmetics. This palette, you can get it for like $10 on their website, I believe. And it comes with all these contour shades, which I think is so reasonable for the price, and it's really, really easy to blend. I'm going to go in with the darkest shade from the palette and bringing the contour from here, the center of, you see where my earlobe is? The center, just bringing it down. And bring it down a little bit further down here if you have a rounder face, because it does kind of create the illusion, as you guys can kind of see here. Let me intensify that a little bit more. See that? It looks like I have cheekbones now. And then just applying it to the outer areas of my forehead. What do you call that? Temples? I'm going to take this lighter shade here just to blend out my forehead a little bit better. And then taking this color here, I'm going to apply that right underneath the contour. I'm going to use this one here and do a little bit of a nose contour, not too intense, but something just to bring the warmth back. Alright, so now I'm going to use what I have underneath my eye to kind of blend this nose out. I'm going to use the Blush Bomb Boomberry Carroty palette. I'm going to use the color Slay and just dip in it lightly because this is really pigmented. And just apply it to the apples of my cheeks. Then taking the color Butte, and this is a highlighter. This is a really nice highlighter. I'm going to be using this Bite liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Demi Glaze. Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and just set the face. Alright guys, and that's how I apply my face makeup. I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope that you found it helpful. That's my main goal, is to teach you guys things that I'm learning along the way of my makeup journey. Don't be scared to send me messages, asking me any questions if you guys do have any, or leave them down in the comments. I always respond to every message and every comment. If you did enjoy this video, make sure that you give the video a thumbs up. Giving my video a thumbs up does help my video get out there and be seen by other people, so I really appreciate your guys' support. If you made it this far into the video, then you probably are interested in seeing how you can win this beauty sponge. If you want me to mail this little sponge to you, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Leave this little emoji in the comments to let me know that you're already subscribed, and I can go ahead and check that because I will be checking. And reason I'm going to be checking, I want to be able to give back to those who actually watch my videos and enjoy my content. I work really hard every single day to put out content for you guys, and I really hope that you guys are enjoying it. I'll be doing more giveaways, so I hope that you guys stick around, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!